Good afternoon, Steve from All-Star Case Breaks. Doing some 17 XR football for Zach. These are 96 a box, $3 to ship. That's the first time we've seen that. The autograph, the pack is slid all the way underneath. Yeah, make sure nothing else is there. Good luck. Let's see a nice shield. Something to start off with. Raycon McMillan, rookie. Dalvin Tomlinson, 13 of 49, autograph. CJ Beathard, 17 of 99, triple jersey. Alex Smith out of 75. He's looked good this year. Alshon Jeffrey out of 299. And Perkins and Kroll base. Ryan Anderson rookie. Rookie triple swatch, 19 of 35. Davis Webb auto triple jersey. Four of 49, Priest Holmes and Kareem Hunt. Ryan Anderson out of 199. Isaiah Kroll out of 299. And Glennon and Green. Where to, Zach? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This box here. That was it. Box 7. Bowser, rookie. Well, so far it's a Giants break. 83 of 199. Wayne Gallman, rookie triple swatch. Chris Godwin, 66 of 99, extreme. Chris Wormley out of 199. Golden Tate out of 299, and Williams and Sanders base. Charles Harris. Points. I'm sorry. Clowney out of 49. Hooker out of 199. Josh Jones out of 299. Gronk and Jordan Reed. $11, $12, $13. Well, we got to pick it up here a little bit for Zach. Everett. Not bad there. Samaje Perine out of 49. Mariota out of 25. Greg Olson, Clowney, Gronk, and Fitzgerald. Yeah, it kind of looks like that's just how they are. Oh, we got double thickness. Hooker, rookie again. Jameis Winston, nice. 2 of 5. Patch auto. 9 of 10. Christian McCaffrey. Tannehill. Davis out of 299. Manning and Bell. Middle box, middle row would be this one, right? Yeah, because you bought 7. Oh, bottom box, middle row. Okay. No, you're good. No, I didn't. Plastic's still there. It's good. Maybe I'll have to open that one if it doesn't sell. Guess the whole case is like that. Yeah, we got a plate. Ryan Anderson, rookie. Dalvin Cook. Nice one there, 19 of 25. Come on, focus. There we go. 1 of 1. I think Matty Ice. Yeah, nice bonus. Matt Ryan printing plate. Jordan Matthews. Zach Zenner. Josh Malone. Obi Mafanu. 6 of 49. Another, it's a Dalvin Cook box. 39 of 99 triple jersey. And base of Cam Newton, Jehu, Cam Chancellor, and Aaron Donald. Last one. Yeah, that one. Man, I hope it's good. Good luck. Okay, low number. One of 1. 1 of 3. Tomlinson. Well, that's a nice one for you in Knoxville. 47 of 99. Josh Dobbs. Rookie triple swatch. There you go. At least I got you Dobbs. $3 to ship, man. 3 is good. Darius Stewart out of 99. Ingram. Sidney Jones. Cooper and Dalton. Cam Robinson. Autograph of Tariq Cohen. 7 of 199. Marlon Mack. Rookie Jumbo Materials. Antonio Brown. Andrew Luck. Ingram and Julio Jones.